Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to cancel app subscriptions on your iPhone. This is very easy to do, so let's get started right away. So the first thing you want to do is to look around and find your settings app. Once you've found it, you want to click on it. Here you'll see all your settings, but at the very top, you will see your name with your Apple ID, iCloud, media, and purchases. You want to go ahead and click on your name. Once you have done this, you'll see all your devices, your passwords, and your iCloud, but you'll also see the option to click on subscriptions. So you need to click on subscriptions. Once you're at this page, it will show you subscriptions that you have right now. For me, I really don't have any right now, and it'll also show expired ones. So if you want to cancel one, all you need to do is click on it. From there, it'll give you an option to add more time to your subscription, or you can get rid of it. So if you want to get rid of it, just click the big red line to saying cancel subscription, and you should be able to cancel it. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.